Let's discuss 4.2 quartic graph. The quartic or function is defined by like this, and uh, a, b, c, d are constant, and a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then what will happen? It's become a cubic graph, cubic function. Also, mainly there are power is highest power is 4, then we are expecting 4 rows. It means we are expecting 4 rows. It may cut x-axis within 4 places, or if there are one repeated root, then it's going to be 3, and if there are 2 repeated root, it's going to be 2 places. And if all the root are same, then the x-axis will cut at one place. The curve go through x-axis with ones. Now there are two forms basically, depend on the a value. If a greater than 0, the this kind of graph you can look at it. If a less than 0, this kind of one. Now for this graph, there may be forms of sometime if the roots are same, something like that, or all the roots are same, uh, something like that. So if it is negative like this, then it's still the same. You may get sometime this kind of graph, or you may get this kind of graph, or you may get only two roots, two repeated roots, or you may get only one. This is same as quadratic. As I said, the shape of the graph a bit differs. If greater than 0, you will see this kind of teeth curve, look like teeth. Only thing we need to know here, when x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity, and x goes to negative infinity, still y goes to positive infinity. So x goes to positive, you can see that it is moving towards the positive. Y goes to positive, and x goes to negative, still y goes to positive. In that case, the other one, uh, like this. Now x goes to this direction, positive. You can see that this is y is going to negative, and x goes to this direction, negative infinity, still y goes to negative infinity. In terms of if a greater than 0, then y always goes to positive. A greater than less than 0, then y always goes to negative. You can check this one. The way I explained for the Let's take an example. Y equal x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 1, and x minus 2. And we'll put x value. X goes to infinity. 0, 100, 1000, uh, 10,000. Likewise, we put bigger numbers. You will see that y also, when you put x equal 100, this is going to be 101, this is going to be 102, and this is going to be 99, and this is going to be 98. Let's assume all 100 times 100 times approximation, and it will be a bigger number. uh, 1 2 with 8 zeros. And let's put 1000 now. When x equal 1000, y equal, I will give a guess, 1000 times 1000 times 1000 times. This is the approximation. Yeah, it means it is getting bigger and bigger. When x is getting larger, in larger, y also getting larger, positive. It means x goes to positive infinity, y also goes to positive. Um, Same way you can check when you put minus. Um, 0 minus 100 minus 1000. Likewise, y equal, then if you put x equal 100 minus 100, this is minus 99 minus 98, and this is minus 101, and this is minus 102. Assume they all hundreds. 2. It mean since negative, negative 9, negative, positive, 47 time negative, negative, negative time negative, positive. It is a positive answer. So when here you will get somewhere here y value, it is a positive answer. Even x equal minus 10,000, you will see minus 1000, minus 1000, minus 1000, minus 1000. Likewise, when it goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive infinity. That's all you need to know. As I did last time, I can check mathematically this one. I take x to the power 4 out. 1 plus 1 over x. If you can't understand, that's fine, just leave it. And that's how you check mathematically. Limit x tends to 0 y infinity. Limit x tend to infinity. This expression x4 minus 1 over x, 1 plus 2 over x, 1 plus minus 1 x, 1 minus 2 over x. So when apply, this is infinity to the power 4, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, because 2 over infinity is 0, minus 1 over infinity is 0, 1 over infinity is 0. Then 1 times 1 times 1, and this is positive for power 4, uh, mean is still infinity. So when x goes to positive infinity, y goes to in positive infinity. Same as you can check x goes to negative infinity, then limit x goes to negative infinity. So negative into the power 4, 1 minus 1 over negative infinity become positive, 1 minus 2 over negative infinity become negative, 1 this is become positive, and this is also become positive because this is negative. So still 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 0. This is plus 1 actually, so because of minus 1. Then 1 times 1 times 1, 1 minus to the power of 4, and this is going to be positive infinity. Minus infinity times minus infinity. Infinity times minus infinity. Infinity times infinity times infinity. Infinity minus times minus positive. Positive negative negative positive. And this is some extra bit I did for the student who is planning to do maths in university.